So by now you should be able to recognize that the role of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen. Hemoglobin associates with oxygen at the surface where gas exchange takes place, so at the lungs. It associates with oxygen quickly, and it can also dissociate from oxygen quickly at the surfaces where it needs to unload oxygen, so at the body tissues. And because this same hemoglobin is going to have to unload oxygen quickly at the tissues but load oxygen quickly at the lungs, hemoglobin has a property where it can change its affinity for oxygen under different conditions. It does this by changing its shape in the presence of certain substances like carbon dioxide. So when carbon dioxide is not present, which means we are at the level of the lungs, the shape of hemoglobin is going to be more towards loading oxygen. When carbon dioxide is present, this means we are at the level of the body tissues because carbon dioxide diffuses from the tissues to the blood over there. Hemoglobin will change its shape to take on a shape that is leaning more towards unloading oxygen. So it releases oxygen at the level of the body tissues so that oxygen can diffuse from the blood to the tissues. This property makes hemoglobin a great molecule for both loading and unloading oxygen.